Ever since the first case of COVID-19 was found in Wuhan, China, COVID-19 have brought havoc around the world. As of today, 70 million cases have been confirmed and more than 1.5 million have been reported dead. This pandemic have caused global social and economic disruption, including largest global recession since the Great Depression. To recover from this pandemic, a race to develop a COVID-19 vaccine began almost the minute coronavirus was revealed in January 2020. On 9th of November, UK-based firm Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech announced that they have achieved success in the first interim analysis in phase 3 study. Just this week, United Kingdom began rolling out COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech. But another race is just beginning. Ultimately, the vaccine won't truly be successful until enough people have gotten them to stop the spread of virus and prevent severe disease and death. According to one analysis, distribution of vaccine would be equally difficult as developing a vaccine. So why is distribution of COVID-19 vaccine difficult? And what would be the way to tackle it? Well, let's find out. Shipping and storage are the major difficulties in the distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer and Moderna have their factories located in United States and parts of Europe, so shipping the vaccine to other continents will be a major challenge. And even if we manage to ship them to other continents, storage is going to be even more bigger issue. The reason is vaccine generally requires cold storage up to minus 20 degrees Celsius, but the COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer requires temperature at very low temperature of minus 70 degrees Celsius. Pharmacies do not have freezers this cold because no approved drug have ever needed to held at this temperature. Only large medical centers, universities and some public health department will probably have such deep freezers. To tackle this, Pfizer have developed a reusable suitcase size shipping container. It can contain up to 975 doses of vaccine which are kept on a dry ice. The vaccine is stable for 10 days from the point of departure in this case. If more dry ice can be secured, then the vaccine can be kept up to another 15 days. During this time, the case can only be opened twice a day for 1 minute. So when opened, healthcare workers have to calibrate amount of vaccine needed. Another big hurdle is the shortage of healthcare workers. It is common to have nursing shortage all over the world, but the healthcare facilities are facing more extreme staff shortages because of enormous spread of COVID-19 across the world. Even if we manage to pull out some enormous amount of health workers, we also need the workers to be trained to handle such extreme storage requirement of the vaccine. So will each and every person on the planet will be able to get the vaccine? The answer is yes. Pfizer is working on powdered version of their vaccine which will not require any cold storage requirement and should be available up to mid of 2021. Further, not all vaccine candidates required cold storage at the same extreme temperatures. Vaccines from Moderna and AstraZeneca, which are around 94% effective, can be stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius. So yes, you are surely going to get some kind of vaccine against novel coronavirus. I am looking forward to the future filled with people walking on the streets freely. But at least for now, the best defense against COVID-19 remains social distancing, mask wearing and hand washing.